Hey, you guys, I'm Jake.
And I'm Lisa.
For our simple adventures, yeah. This is kind of nice, isn't it? We are at Saylorville Lake. Beautiful, beautiful day. We're gonna put a couple of sunset pictures right here that Lisa took the other day. There's the 1 mile bridge in the distance there. You probably can't see that. I can't zoom in with my GoPro. But yeah, we come down here.
Right next to our campsite.
We are at Prairie Flower Campground, which is right up that trail up there, like quarter mile walk, 5 minutes carrying the chairs. But yeah, we're going to enjoy an hour here. We don't want to get sunburnt. High of 90 degrees today, and it's humid. Yeah, and it's humid. I don't know what the humidity is, but it's always more humid by the lake. So, okay, let's see what kind of trouble we can find.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. So this is the evening. We were down. You follow this trail, bike trail, whatever, walking trail, down to the beach down there. Big, huge, beautiful beach where you just saw us. And that's the lake from up here. And we are supposed to be getting thunderstorms tonight. I don't think too severe, but there's going to be some thunder and lightning. They aren't saying high winds yet, anyway. But yeah. Oh, here's the campground. I think we showed you campground. Prairie Flower. Come over here. Love this campground. I don't want to talk about it too much. You guys will all take it. That's fine. Beautiful. Anyway, we do have some news coming up here quick. We got an offer in on a house that was accepted here in Iowa. I'm not going to tell you where yet, but we're going to have a base of operations where I can park the prowler. I can do anything that I need to do to the prowler. Work on the bear, BB. Going to have garage space to do other projects. So looking forward to that. But okay, we'll get back if the weather gets crazy. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, you guys, yeah, this is actually the next night. And I just wanted to show you this sunset here. The next night. The neighbors over there burning a fire. It smells so good, but these sunsets or this lake are just beautiful. And I wanted to tell you too that yeah, today we went and visited the house that we're under contract on. Under contract, and it's within 45 minutes of Des Moines. We'll tell you more about it as things go here. But yeah, we went and looked at that, and we spent an hour and 15 minutes digging in everything because we only saw it the day we loved it the first time we saw it, and we hadn't seen it since then. We wanted to make an offer on it because we thought it'd go quick, and it did have multiple offers. So we did get under contract. So yeah, we're staying in the prowler till we find a house, or till we move into the house. So anyway, all right, you guys, talk soon. Okay, you guys, yeah, we've moved from the beach area, from that area. Now we're at a new campground, a very busy campground. This is a weekend, and it's actually the 17th. of July, 2026 right now. Hugely popular campground for families and everything. But we there's Lisa. So yeah, and I think I told you last time that we are under contract with a house. Not going to tell you where yet or anything, but we are going through the process with that right now, and so that's exciting. But now we're just kind of hanging around Saylorville Lake, bouncing around the different campgrounds, killing time, and we're getting bored. Okay, you guys. Whoa! We've got a tornado watch here, and we've got a watch. So far, a watch. It's starting to rain, and we are at Cherry Glen. And yeah, this just came out of. Well, it's been a tornado watch. Now, that's what this is. All right, maybe we better go on the prowler, but it's spitting rain. I don't know if it's getting on the lens. Okay, we got a tornado siren going right now. I gotta get Lisa, we gotta go into the bathroom. Lisa, tornado sirens are going, let's go up to the bathroom. Tornado sirens are going. Gonna put you down a second.
Huh?
Hold this a minute.
Yeah, Acne, looks like the storm was going right through Acne.
Well, we did this before in Omaha, remember that?
Yeah.
We're just gonna walk up to the bathrooms. It's a block bathroom. I'm sure there's nothing to worry about. They always cry wolf on this stuff a little early.
Radar shows the red hitting.
Okay. Well, we might be having a real tornado here. You guys probably can't hear the tornado sirens, but we can. I'm not going to go in there with a bunch of people, right? We'll stand outside and then we'll run inside, okay? Good.
You guys are more welcome
Good.
than me.
We will, yeah. Viral video.
Huh?
Viral video.
Nice. They're coming right now. Order's coming with the dog. Close neck. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
Yeah, we're able to just step in the door if it gets much worse. Yeah, everybody's coming.
Get in there. Where's Gully?
There's nothing. They always cry wolf. I guess. I guess better to be. I was going to say safe than sorry, but no. gimbal's giving out here too.
Send it to Taylor. Scare the shit out of her.
Send it to her. Okay, so now I got you guys in my hand. Oh wow, look at this.
She's like, quick decision. I'm like, I know.
Right?
Alright, this is nuts. Guess I should have brought my phone to actually watch the radar, but there's a prowler down there. The trees. Whoa! Alright, this was unexpected. It was just supposed to be a chance of rain.
Get inside. Don't let it come back out.
Where'd you give him a bath while you're in there? Probably should have went to that one night. Oh, I see Grandpa here. That's what he wants to throw him out. Run out!
Okay, you guys, yeah, this, everybody's giddy. Everybody's giddy, even though we're about to be.
Hey, I got
Look at those trees.
the first guy in my dinner box.
Well, that's one thing about being in the forest like this. Oh. Those trees are blocking most of the wind. They are getting attacked.
How long is this supposed to rain for?
See, there's a prowler and BB and bear down there.
8:30.
You never hear someone like over
Not coming on yet. Oh, there it is.
Was that you talking?
Okay, we're on the edge of it actually. It's like the worst of it's going right through it.
We're not in the red.
Yeah, we're not in the red. We're in the edge of the yellow and the green right now.
There's what, 7 kids in the bathroom with 4 dogs. It won't work out fine. Okay, pull it on over. Well, I'll get in your car.
Famous last words. No. Kidding, he's fine. We're fine.
No, it's all good. I got a plate of pork, and then I poured it on.
I get good pork for years now. Second-rate fucking pork. It's still bad. It's still bad.
Okay, I'll go back. Let's go back.
What you got there?
So this is a photo, video.
I think we're on the downside here. Okay, yeah, so that petered out, which is, we're glad. We don't need any violent weather. Bunch of nice people. Everybody's going back to their campers now. A bunch of nice people. I think most of them were from Illinois, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then one couple from Wickenburg.
Are they from Wickenburg, or they just have a place there?
No, they live in Wickenburg.
Okay, well, cool. Yeah, somebody else that come from Arizona. That's it. Okay, we'll check back in with you guys. We're still bouncing around. We are under contract on a house, so I'm trying to stop the rain from getting on the camera. Okay. Okay, I think that's going to be a lesson not to say you're bored.
No, never say we're bored again.
Yeah, that was interesting. Bunch of nice people we met. Beautiful beach. We're closing on our house this coming week. This is Saturday. We're closing on a Wednesday, and we might show you guys some of that. Yeah, we will. My gimbal's messed up from the rain, so I need to get another gimbal. So I'm holding you guys with my hand right now. So anyway, okay, we're gonna sign off here. We'll catch you guys. We'll see you soon. Next video.
Yeah, see you around the next video.